Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s minus number 3. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel the square root, and we have s minus number 3. Because we have s, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one you got about 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. The square root we change for u. S we change for u square plus number 3. The s we change for this one. So u and u we cancel. Number 2 I will put outside. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about u to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. And that is about number 3. The next one, that is about u. About u, that is about the square root. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.